Hi everyone. Good evening guys. Audio both are clear everyone? Right. So we'll be continuing our discussion on this. So what is that we are discussing? If we just remember, if we just observed what is that we were discussing? We were discussing about this all state PSC PYQs now, and we'll be continuing our discussion on this all state PSC PYQs. And today we'll be completing this Theodolite, and we'll be entering into which one? This traversing, you can say. Okay, traversing chapter will be entering into today's class, right? So all of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? Everyone is ready to crack, all of you? Everyone get ready to crack, all of you? Everyone get ready to crack, right? So here we'll be continuing our discussion, right? Here now, right? This is your GATE and ESE Civil Engineering. This is my profile, right? This is my profile. You can follow me at which, and this is the referral code you have to use, right? What is the referral code you have to use always? Yeah, Vishal. Sound is not good. Vishal, sound is not good. Is it not? Now also it is not good. Vishal, just tell me. Now it is okay, or now also it is not good? Right. So RPC live is the referral code you have to use always, right? Now it's okay or not? Just check it. Right. So now these are all the subjects I will be taking in Unacademy Plus platform, right? Now on 26th June, right? On 26th June, right? Are you getting the resound? Everyone? Everyone is getting the resound? On 26th June, right? On 26th June at 11 AM, you will be having this Major League Combat test you are having, right? Major League Combat test you are having. So whenever you are enrolling for this, use the referral code RP Civil Live. Okay? Use the referral code RP Civil Live, right? Yes, na? Another sound, which sound you are getting? What is another sound you are getting? What is the sound here? Which sound you are getting here? Other sound? Which sound? One sec, I'll just try to. Gui sound you are getting. Okay. I'll just stop it and start it again. Okay, one sec. Now check it. Now also you are getting sound, or it's okay now, everyone? Now also it is okay, or you are getting the same sound? Okay, it's okay now, all of you? GUI sound is coming now, or no GUI sound? Everyone? Now it's okay? Just somebody check it. Right, okay. These are the special class features, right? These are the special features of this special class we are having. And you will be going for this daily scholarship test, right? So depending upon your rank in the daily scholarship test, you will be getting which one? You will be getting this scholarships, okay? So practice with GATE and practice for this GATE and ESE with Unacademy PYQs, you can say, right? These are the community features. All of you are following my community, or not everyone? If you are not following my community, start following the community, all of you. Then you will be getting the regular updates of these classes and everything there, okay? Right. So these are the new batches starting on which one? This is a droppers batch for this GATE and ESE 2023 for June 2020 June 22nd. It will be starting if you just observe, okay? So what is the referral code you have to use? RP Civil is the referral code you have to use always, okay? So this is also the resilience boss. So what is the code you have to use? RP Civil Live is the referral code you have to use, right? RP Civil Live is the referral code you have to use always, okay? Right. So now if you are unable to pay the full amount of this plus subscription at a time, you can just pay this in parts, 2 parts, 3 parts. In terms of this EMI, you can pay it, okay? So there is an option given by this Unacademy, right? And when you are taking this iconic subscription, 1:1 live interaction will be there. In that every month 2 sessions will be there, right? Naveen, good evening, right? So these are all GATE 2022 toppers. These are all ESE 2022 toppers from civil engineering, right? So So these are the differences and similarities between this plus and iconic subscription. Subscribe and get the benefits all of you, right? Whenever you are subscribing either to the plus subscription or to the iconic subscription, use the referral code. What is the referral code? RP Civil Live is the referral code you have to use now. Okay. Now coming to this. So today we'll be finishing off this Theodolite survey. And after that we'll be entering into which one? This traversing. Okay. Traversing we'll be entering into. So how many questions we have done yesterday? Up to yesterday this 455 questions are done. Yes or no? Now part 54 all state PSC PYQs today, right? 455 chapter 7 Theodolite only. This is your 456. Select the answer of you for this. Write your answer for this 456 question. Write your option. Somebody? Vishal said A. Any other answer by others? Lina said C. Nobody said the correct answer. So that a tangential method is which one? This is faster than the stadia hair method, right? It is faster than which one? It is faster than the stadia hair method, right? So in this tangential method, what is that you are having? That rod of this fixed length is there, na? Rod of this fixed length you are having, or what is that you can say if you just observe? So this is your staff you are having, right? This is your staff you are having, and the two vanes are fixed here, right? Two vanes are fixed at which distance? Some 2 meter distance or some 3 meter distance. Staff and staff, they are fixed, right? So simply what we need to do, that movable crosshairs will be there, right? So here movable crosshairs we are having. Yeah, movable crosshairs we are having, right? With this movable crosshairs, what we need to do? You need to just adjust them such that the top crosshair will be coinciding with the top one, and bottom crosshair will be coinciding with the bottom one, right? It is faster, na? Yes or no? It is obviously faster or not? Yes, it is obviously faster, you can say, right? Yes, no? It is obviously faster. Suppose that S is fixed, S is already we know, and only that angle we should get it. That's it, nothing else. But here if you just observe, if it is that stadia hair method, what we need to do? Stadia hair method, what we need to do? We need to read the top stadia hair reading and note down, and we need to read the bottom stadia hair reading and note down, right? So that will take a lot of time now, and we have to calculate that. Yes, so it is faster than stadia hair method, but okay, yes, not that much convenient, right? Yes, absolutely, you can say. 456. This is your 457th question, right? Select the answer of you. Select the answer. B. Vishal said B and Lina said B. Any other answer by others, all of you? Any other answer by others? The distance formula for finding the distances using the theodolite for a horizontal line of sight, right? For a horizontal line of sight is, right? What is the distance formula? You can say distance formula is nothing but your Ks plus this C, na? So Ks plus this C means which option is correct? Option B is correct, na? Yes, option B is correct if you just observe, right? Now select the answer for this 458 question, everyone. Select the answer for this. D. Vishal said D. A vernier theodolite consists of, right? What is that vernier theodolite is consisting of? If you just observe what it is consisting of. Leveling head assembly, yes. Horizontal circle assembly, alligator assembly, all of them, right? All will be there na. So the leveling head assembly will be there, right? Because we have to do the leveling na, that foot screws and horizontal circles, right? So that A scale, B scale, they must be placed in a alligator assembly, yes na. So all these must be available in that theodolite generally. Okay, 459 question. Select the answer for this 459 question. (459). Select the answer, everyone. Multiplied by, so Vishal said D. So what is that? You can say, if you just observe that inclined line of sight means, right, what is that? If it is an inclined line of sight, right, this is your theta we are having, right? This is your theta, you can say. So what is the D? If you just observe, the distance is nothing but your ks cos square theta plus, what is that? You can say that is c cos theta na, is that no? So the multiplying constant by this cos square theta and this additive constant by this cos theta, right? Option D will be the correct answer. You can say it like that. Is that clear, everyone? So this is what we are having, right? So now we'll be entering into this next chapter, that is your 8th chapter. Traversing will be entering into, right? We'll be entering into which one? This traversing, you can say. Okay, right? So that is which question? 459 question. This is your 460th question. Okay, you want me to explain these cases, right? Here just I'll mention the cases only. So I'll just mention the cases only. So what that you are having is, here line of sight is horizontal and this is also vertical, right? Line of sight is horizontal and this staff is also vertical. And what is that you are having? If you just observe, it is accessible, right? If it is inaccessible condition, what is that you can say? Line of sight is inclined and staff is vertical, right? Line of sight is inclined and the staff is vertical, you can say, right? And you can have which one? This inaccessible condition, right? You'll be having this angle of elevation there. Angle of depression is also possible, right? Line of sight is inclined and the staff is vertical, you can say, right? And the staff is vertical, right? But so if you just observe, there is also another condition, right? What is that? This is inaccessible condition. Line of sight is inclined and this staff is perpendicular to the line of sight, right? Staff is perpendicular to the line of sight, you can say like that. Okay, and here also what is that you are having? This is your angle of depression, and what is that you are having? This is how we are placing the line of that staff is perpendicular to the line of sight, you can say, right? So this is also angle of depression, right? These are the different cases we are having, right? Yeah, Shyam Singh, what you need to do is you have to change the quality. Yeah, that is what you just click on the video. At the top right corner, settings symbol is there. In that settings symbol, go to which one? This quality, and in that advanced you select at least 360. Then you will be getting the picture clarity picture. Okay, you have to change the quality of this video. Okay, then you will get it correctly, right? Right, is that clear, Vishal? These are the different cases we are having, right? Simply 460. Select the answer, everyone. Shyam Singh, did you check it? Did you check it? It's coming now. Yes, right. So what is that? If L is the length of a line, right? L is the length of a line, then according to this Bowditch's method, then the linear and angular errors are proportional to, right? So error in the linear, right? That a linear error is directly proportional to which one? That linear error is directly proportional to which one? This under root L. And this what is it? Angular error na? angular error is which one? Is inversely proportional to this under root L, na? Yes or no? Angular error is inversely proportional to this under root L, right? Which one is correct? We just observe L power 0.5, linear and angular, na? First linear, second angular, right? Power 0.5 and this one, option B is the correct one, isn't it? Right, got it? Yes, very good. Yes, Sri also said B. Lina said D. D is wrong, na? It is not L square. L root over L only, right? Root over L only. It is not L square. 461 question. Right, select the answer for this 461 question. The body chest rule is for which one? Which traverse you can say? Any other answer? Bowed chest rule is applied in the adjustment of this closed traverse only, no? Closed traverse only or not? Yes, for the adjustment of this closed traverse only we are having, right? Is it applicable for this open traverse or it is not for the open traverse? It is not at all applicable for the open traverse. It is applicable for which one? This closed traverse only, right? Yes, now perimeter we are mentioning means in case of this check for open traverse, we cannot check open traverse, right? It is not possible to check the open traverse, right? Is it possible to check, Vishal? It is not at all possible to check the open traverse, right? It is not possible to check the open traverse generally, right? Closed traverse only we are having the checks possible, okay? 462. Select the answer. In order to balance the traverse in which the angular measurements are more precise than this linear measurements, and most suitable method is, right? Which one? So if you just observe in this axis correction method, right? What is it? Our axis correction method, if you just observe it, Vishal said D, Sri said D, Mayur said D, Mukul said D, right? Okay, we'll see. In case of this axis correction method, what is that you can say? In which angular measurements are more precise than the linear measurements, most suitable method is, right? So here axis method is what? Corrections are applied for which one? Here if we just observe, corrections applied only for what? Corrections applied to length only. Corrections applied to length only. And why? Since angles are very precise, right? Since angles are which one? Angles are measured very precise, right? In this axis method, angles are measured which one? This is very precise, you can say. Now, in case of this bowed chest rule, if you just observe it, what is it? Bowed chest rule? More angular change, na? Yes or no? So less change in the length, right? Less errors in which one? Less errors in length and more errors in what? Angle. So can we apply this method? No. And in this transit rule, if you just observe, and in this transit rule, what is that? So these are angular measurements are more precise, right? Here it is used when angular measurements are more precise than what? more precise than which one? This is linear measurements, right? So like that, under these conditions we are using this, right? Bowditch's rule, linear measurements are more precise than angular measurements. Transit rule, exactly opposite, right? So which one is the correct answer? Option D will be the correct answer, na? Option D will be the correct answer, you can say. Yes, absolutely right. So select the answer. 463 question, everyone. Select the answer, everyone, for this question. 463 question. See? Yes, right. Leena, Vishal, Mayur, everybody said C. Lehman's rules are for which purpose? If you just observe, these are used in this, which one? This which one? Resection of this plane table, na? Resection of this plane table, right? But these are not related, right? The Simpson's rule is calculation of which one? This volumes, you can say, right? So here what is that? Bowditch's rule only for the adjustment of this traverse, na? Yes, absolutely right. Yes, na? Right. Now 464. Select the answer of you. $464. What is the answer of you? Mayur said C and Vishal said C. Any other answer by others, all of you? Sri said C. Yeah. The latitude of a line is, right, whenever you are having this north and south. So this is your north and this is south axis, you are having south meridians, and this is your east line and this is your west line, you can say, right? Suppose if you are just having a line AB like this, right? Let us say you are having a line AB like this, right? This is your bearing theta you are having, right? What is that, you can say? That is your bearing, if you just observe, right? That is your bearing, if you just say, right? Now if you just consider the projection of this line onto this east and west, it is called with the name as what? Departure. It is called with the name as which one? This is a departure, right? Departure, that D will be equal to which one? That L, length of this line AB into which one? This is sine theta, na? Into that sine theta, you can say, right? And if you just consider this, right, what is that you are having here? This is your, from here to here, it is your latitude, right? What is that you can say? That is your latitude, right? So what is that latitude? L is equal to that length of this line AB into which one? This is cos theta, right? So now tell me, what is that latitude? Average latitude in which line lies? A projection of this line on the east-west meridian, on the east-west meridian, or on the north-south meridian? On the north-south meridian is called as your which one? This latitude, right? So if it is on the north thing, it is a positive, and if it is on the south thing, you take it as negative, right? This is for the latitude. And for the departure, if you just observe, easting or east side projection, you take it as a positive, and west side or westing projection, you take it as this negative, if you just observe, right? Like that. Is it clear? 464. Select the answer for this. 465. Select the answer of you. $465. Vishal said C and Mayur said A. Lina said C and Sri said A. Okay, which one is correct? The total latitude and departure of a point with respect to the common origin is known as, right, total coordinate of the point and variable coordinate, consecutive coordinate and variable coordinate. Which one is correct? This variable coordinate of a point and variable coordinate of a line, right? It is not the variable coordinate, na? It is not at all variable coordinate, right? It is not at all variable coordinate, you can say, is na? Right, what is that? Total coordinate of a point, if you just, right? What is the total coordinate? total coordinates, you can say, right? Total coordinates of a point it is, right? So it is individual dependent coordinates or independent coordinates, right? Total coordinates or independent coordinates, you can say, right? Like that. Which one is correct? Option A will be the correct answer. Okay, 466, select the answer. Sri said A, Vishal said B, and Mayur said B. Which one is correct? Axis method of traverse correction is used when, right? Axis method of this traverse correction is used when. So do you remember just now I have mentioned that point, na? Where I have mentioned axis correction, corrections are applied to length only, angles are measured very precisely, right? Angles are measured very precisely, right? Angles are measured very precisely, right? Axis method of this traverse correction is used when angles are measured very accurately or very precisely, right? So there is no correction for these angles we are applying, only correction for which one? This lengths we are applying, right? Option B is the correct one, na? Yes, option B will be the absolutely correct one. Yes, na? It is not the length measured, it is the angles measured. You have to be careful. Okay, already I have given that point, na? Yeah, Shyam Singh, I will be sharing in which one? My community. You just follow my profile in Unacademy and you will be getting these soon, right? Once all these chapters get over, na, by the end of this June, all chapters of the surveying will get over. So after all chapters are getting over, I'll be giving it, right? I'll be sending all chapters, chapter by chapter PDF. I'll be sharing in the community. Okay, don't worry. No, 467. Once entire subject is over, I'll be sharing in my community. You start following my community. Okay. Select the answer for this. For 67, what is the answer? L denotes the latitude and D denotes the departure. Then the direction of this closing error is, right? What is the direction of this closing error? Tan inverse departure, right? What is that? You can say that theta is equal to theta error is equal to tan inverse which one? This error in the departure by this error in the latitude, right? Error in the departure is nothing but your the sum of the departures. Error in the latitude is nothing but your sum of the latitudes, you can say, right? Like that. Okay, now 468. Select the answer. This is the last question for today. Select the answer, everyone. So this is Rajasthan. It is given Rajasthan Polytechnic lecturers. It is given TECH. It is not TECIL. For 68, select the answer of you. D. Sri said D and Vishal said C. Any other answer, brothers? In a closed loop traverse of this 1 kilometer total length, right? What is the total length you are having? Total length is 1 kilometer, na? Total length, closing errors in departure and latitudes, right? What is the sigma departure? You can say that sigma sum of these departures will be equal to which one? Or error in the departure will be equal to which one? This is 0.3. And what is it? You can say sum of the latitudes and error in this latitude is equal to the 0.4 meters respectively, right? 0.3 and this 0.4 meters respectively, right? Then the relative precision of this traverse will be, right? What is the precision? You can say precision is nothing but your error divided by, so what is that error? Closing error is how much? What is that closing error? E equal to under root, what is that? Error in that departure square plus this error in the latitude square, na? So what is that error? You can say under root 0.3 square plus this 0.4 square. So 3,4 means 345 rule. It is, can we say it is your 0.5? Now what is that precision? If you just observe that precision will be equal to error divided by which one? This total length measured, right? Total length measured. Total length is nothing but your perimeter only, right? What is that? You can say that is your 0.5 meters divided by 1 kilometer. Now 1 kilometer is nothing but your 1 into 1000 meters, right? How much it comes to be now? Tell me. 1 is to 2000 na 1 by 2000 you are getting here, right? 1 by 2000 means which option? Option D will be the correct na. So is that clear, everyone? Is that clear all of you? Okay, so again on Monday we'll be meeting with which one? This traversing remaining questions, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday also that traversing questions will be there. Monday, Tuesday mostly. Monday, Tuesday also will be having this traversing questions, all of you. Okay, thank you all of you. Have a good day. Again we'll meet on Monday, right? So Friday, Saturday, Sunday these classes will not be there. Okay, thank you. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.